To add a calendar to Squarespace, start by opening a new browser tab and navigating to the Squarespace website. Log into your account by entering your email and password, which will grant you access to your account dashboard. From there, select the website where you want to add the calendar and click on the Edit option. This will take you to a page with various sections, including your header and other customizable areas. Look for the Add Blog option at the top left and click on it. A range of basic elements will appear, including text, image, and video options, as well as a calendar feature. Click on the calendar option to open it up, and you'll see the ability to display events, blog posts, products, or gallery images as a calendar. To customize the calendar, select one of your pages to feature, such as a products page or a store page, and toggle through the options as needed. The calendar can be edited by clicking on the Edit button, allowing you to refine its display and content.